Hello my crafty friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how I am crocheting this cute little cauldron bag handle. This is a new pattern that I'm working on, and I'm using the stitch Tunisian. To start, I kind of started by adding a few chains to the base here, maybe about 4 or 5, and I am going to continue this until it reaches the length that I need. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through, keeping the loop on the actual crochet hook, and you're going to continue that. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, insert hook into this last stitch, yarn over, pull through. So I have 5 stitches on this hook, and my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off 2 loops at a time. So I'm yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And then I just keep repeating that until I have this nice, beautiful strap. So as you can see here, the bag, I'm not sure how long it is just yet or how wide it is, but it's cute. I think it's so cute, and I'm looking forward to adding this pattern to my Etsy shop in the near future after I finish this handle. So I just thought I'd get on and share with you how I'm creating it. Just be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know the next time I go live. Until next time, my friends, keep crocheting.